Hi, welcome to Div's Creation. In this video, I'm going to show how to install and set up Visual Studio. Go to google.com and type download Visual Studio. I will put 2019 because the latest version of Visual Studio is 2019. Select the option from the website of Visual Studio. Then, for learning purposes, download the community version. This is the community version. It is downloading. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Alright, download completed. Go to your folder, click on download, then you will see the raw file which is just downloaded. Double click on it. Click on continue. This is going to take some couple of minutes. Wait for a few minutes. This page will open. What we are going to do now is to select the packages we are going to use: ASP.NET and web development. If you would like to use Visual Studio for HTML and JavaScript, you can decide to check this. If you would like to write your Python programming language, you can also check this, but I will leave this for now. .NET desktop development, C# is found here. I will check on this. Universal Windows Platform development, I will check on this. Mobile development with C++, I will leave this for now. We have database storage processing. This is for database, so I will check on this because in the future we are going to use database. Visual Studio extension development, check on this. Then the JS developments, let me leave this for now. Mobile development with .NET, check on this as well. Okay, Office/SharePoint development, check on this. We have .NET Core cross-platform development, I'll also check on this. Now if you look at this, all that you have checked, this is the space required for you to install it. Now we have 23.96 gigabytes. If you don't have enough space, the first three things you can consider: this .NET desktop development, come to the data storage, check this, then the cross-platform. Okay, I can also consider this. For desktop applications alone, these are the 4 packages we will consider first if you don't have a lot of space. So considering these 4 packages, what we have is 8.84 gigabytes. But for me, I would like to consider others because in the future I'm going to make use of them. And you too, if you have a lot of space, you can also consider these ones that I've checked. So in total, you're going to have 23.96 gigabytes. So I'll click on install, take a survey, not now. So we are going to wait for some minutes. So I'm going to pause this video as it gets installed. Finally, the installation is completed. This is the interface of the Visual Studio 2019. These are the projects that I've written, so it is automatically showing here. But if you have not written any project at first, you will not see anything. You will just see a plain interface like this. Create a new project, click on it. For console, this is console app. You have drop down options. There are other programming languages that we can use this Visual Studio to write. So among all, we are going to choose the C#. Then we come to platform. You can leave it to be all platforms. And the project type, let's just leave it at default, all project types. So in this case now, we come to the console app, double click, and then we have a space to write the project name. So let us give it a name. And in this location, you're going to choose the position where you're going to save your project. Your folder opens. Choose folder, select folder. Our project called LOC# is going to save in this path that we have selected. Make sure that naming your project, you start with a capital letter. Click on create. Our project is opened. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please click on the like button. And if you have any question or contribution, please write your contributions at the comment section. And please subscribe to this channel to see more videos. See you in the next video.